Okay, so these are completely not audio related. So on one of my vehicles, it has some old school incandescent bulbs, and I kind of like the look of the newer HIDs or the LEDs just because they're brighter. They have that cool neutral white tint instead of that yellowish tint. So I decided, hey, you know what? Let me see what these new bulbs can do, and they're pretty inexpensive. Some of them can get kind of expensive for bulbs. I saw a review from a YouTuber, and I think his website is called Bulb Facts, and he highly recommended these Hikari LED headlights. And so I tried them out. I've tried a few different ones, and I really like the way that these look. The beam pattern is good, and if I open this, you won't see anything because they're already installed. They're my main headlights, and they work really well. They're super bright, and I made sure to aim them so I'm not blinding people. All that, very good. But these aren't super cheap. I think they were like 89 bucks for two of them. And so I actually went on AliExpress just to kind of see what they had. And they had some that were similar, right? So I think what I was looking for is ones that were using the Philips bulbs. I know this is not audio related, but this is called Joe and Tell, where I show you and tell you about stuff that I've received. So not everything on this channel is going to be audio related, and this is one of those cases. So this is an Infitary. I don't know, they're supposed to be super bright, but I have two different sets, and it's because on AliExpress I bought these, and then later on I found this one that I like the specs of better.
Last week I bought this.
Plus 10% of the difference.
And today I saw this.
And then it gives you an option there to cancel your order. And so I'm like, okay, well, I only ordered like 2 minutes ago, so I should be able to cancel it, right? So I pressed that button to cancel. They got back to me about 2 days later just to let me know that they couldn't cancel it because the order had already been shipped out. Thanks, guys. That button's kind of useless. These are the ones that I did want, and this is from a company, Zdatt, Z-D-A-T-T. And these are supposed to be using the Philips bulbs. I don't know whether they are or aren't, but they look like they are, but who knows. So this is what it comes with. It comes with two of these, right? So the crazy thing is these look almost exactly like the Hikaris. So I'm going to have to wait and see. I'm going to install these and see if these actually perform like the Hikaris, because these were a lot less expensive. Like, I want to say somewhere in the price range of like under $30, whereas the Hikaris were 89 bucks. Granted, these Hikaris came in about a day or two, and this took a couple of weeks. But yeah, these LED lights are pretty cool. If you don't get good lights, sometimes the beam pattern is really off, and you tend to be one of those people that blinds people. And that's not what I'm going for. We'll have to see how this goes. If they can perform like the Hikaris, maybe you'll be able to save yourself some money. So, there's that. But Infitary, I don't like you guys. You should have just canceled my order.